Toyota's stock is traded on two major markets, the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol TM and the Tokyo Stock Exchange under 7203. But that's not all. You can also invest through options, ETFs, and CFDs depending on your strategy. Want to check the latest Price Visit Market Watch or Yahoo Finance for real-time updates? Before investing, always do your research and consult a financial expert. For more insights, subscribe to Clip Craze to our channel and hit the bell icon. Would you invest in Toyota? Comment below. Investing in Toyota can be an intriguing opportunity given its strong market presence. By utilizing various financial instruments, investors can tailor their approach to align with personal strategies and risk tolerance. Exploring platforms for the latest information and insights is essential for making informed decisions. Remember, the stock market can be unpredictable, so thorough research and expert advice remain crucial. Join the conversation about your investment thoughts in the comments.